What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at West Fenney. West Fenney is under construction. They're starting to put some new stuff up and some things like that. Sorry, today the arrows are just going to be the red arrows. I of course deleted the files I had of the green screen ones, so I'm going to have to redo a lot of those. No big deal. It's not the first time, it won't be the last time I delete some files that I should have kept. But anyway, we're going to take a look at that, and I hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, here it is. We're starting here because we have 301 and Warm Springs Avenue. Warm Springs actually goes into Fenney. This is headed west here, and that is actually Warm Springs Avenue. So that goes past Fenney all the way across into the new areas like Hawkins and St. Catherine. It crosses the turnpike. You're looking at Red Fox and Gray Fox there. Executive golf courses. That is the club, and that's where you get your cart and all of that type of stuff. So you can see this is West DeLuna here. Or not West DeLuna, West Fenney, excuse me. So West Fenney is actually underway. They have several of the roads in place, which you can see the roundabouts, and they're mapping out the lots. All the pipe is done, it looks like, and they even have some dividers in place in between where the little villages and villas and housing areas will be. Toward the back here, as we get going, you'll be able to see some of the home sites being built. And then in the background there, you can see both the industrial park, and that water tower right there is now Village's property as well. It wasn't before. This used to be a Jeep ranch down here, or I'm not sure if it was a Jeep ranch per se, but they used to lease this land out to the Jeep ranch, and there were Jeep trails through it, and you could ride through it, and we did some food truck events down in there. You can see some local villagers playing golf here on the on the green there while we're doing the video, but you can see the home sites there. This is on the south side of the West Fenney area. They still have quite a bit here to build onto. As far as I know, this is all housing area, and then we're gonna spin around here and you're going to be able to see the rec area and just the local. This is where you'll be able to pick up your mail, and the local rec center right here in the screen. In the background in the top right of the screen, that was a storage unit complex, which has nothing to do with the villages. It's just an outside area where you can store some of your stuff. Those are all around the villages. And as we are drifting north here, you can see that they've closed off the parts that they don't own. Now, I'm not sure if these people wouldn't sell their property, or if they didn't get approved for that, or what's going on with that, but they have the wall all the way around, which is what they typically do when they don't own the property on the other side. Up in the background in the middle of the screen, that is where we just did the video the other day, West DeLuna. And that is straight north, pretty much follows 301. That's the intersection of 301 and Warm Springs again. And then as we pan back to the west, this is Coleman, and then you get that industrial park in the background. And I-75 is actually runs along the opposite side of that industrial park there, which if you've seen any of the videos before about the industrial park, you've seen another view. Now this is north looking south, and this is on the western side of the development, and then looking south southeast, turning toward the east here as we go. They do a lot of like quarry stuff back there. It's kind of what that is, and you can see some of the smoke from them burning some of the brush back where the villages own. Now you're looking at Fenney and the Fenney development. This is literally on the other side of the trees from the Fenney Rec Center, which is actually pretty cool. If you've never been, they have otters and things in the spring. It's an actual natural Florida spring that they cleaned up when they bought and redid the Fenney area. What was out here before was just a bunch of cows, and the cows were kind of trudging through that area and drinking from the spring, and they were using the spring to water the farmland and all that kind of stuff. So the spring wasn't really pristine, but the villagers came in and redid it all, and now you can actually walk around it and everything from the Fenney Rec Center, so it's pretty nice. Again, taking a look at this is northern side of West Fenney area. And then they have these trucks coming in all the time, dropping materials. This is really close to the industrial park, so I'm assuming that's why it's getting quite a bit more work done than West Luna. But they're moving along on both, and I'm expecting over the next few months you'll see quite a difference in this area. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. As always, give us a thumbs up if you did, and we will see you in the next one.